kay Toto, idol!
Let's give it on some party people!
Sa Gyno Rebel. Kay Toto, idol! Sa Gyno Rebel is back.
Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on. Just to be your man. There's no hurry, don't you worry. We can take our time. Come a little closer, let's go over what I had in mind. Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on. Just to be your man.
Jonel Sagino-Ribas is back.
You everything that I've been looking for. I look into your eyes, couldn't ask for more. It's too late on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time.
Basta kay Toto, idol.
If I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with me. You're the one to move it through, though I don't get it. If I ever fall in love again.
Papapae ka sa music ni DJ Jonel Sagino, idol.
Yes, I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down in the air. If you just trust in me, I'm sure I'd come around. And I know it's hard to let someone inside when your arms feel I'm ready now to try.
Basta kay Toto, idol.
If I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to move it through, though I don't want. If I ever fall in love again.
Papapae ka sa music ni DJ Jonel Sagino, idol. This is Jonel Sagino-Ribas is back. Basta kay Toto, idol. Papapae ka sa music ni DJ Jonel Sagino, idol. 1, 2, 3.
kay Toto, idol!